Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to explain some stanzas of the lesson The Scholar, written by Robert Southey. The first stanza. My days among the dead are past. Where are these casual eyes are cast? The mighty minds of old, my never failing friends are they, with whom I converse day by day. Word meaning scholar, wise man, बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति. My days, my lifespan, मेरा जीवन काल. The dead means the great authors who are now dead. दिवंगत विद्वान लेखक. Are past, have passed, बीत चुका है. Around, in all the directions, सभी ओर. Behold means see, देखना. Casual eyes, all of a sudden, the sight, अचानक देखना. Are cast, are thrown, दृष्टि डाली जाती है. Mighty minds, great writers, महान लेखक. Converse, talk, वार्तालाप करना. Day by day, daily, प्रतिदिन. हिंदी में इसकी अनुवाद देखिए. मेरे दिन मृत विद्वानों के मध्य गुजरते हैं, जहाँ कहीं भी आकस्मिक रूप से मेरी दृष्टि पड़ती है, वहीं मैं उन लेखकों की पुस्तकें पाता हूँ जिनके मस्तिष्क बहुत महान थे. कभी भी धोखा ना देने वाली ये मेरे मित्र, जिनके साथ मैं प्रतिदिन वार्तालाप करता हूँ, अर्थात उन पुस्तकों के साथ विचारों का आदान प्रदान करता हूँ. Stanzas for explanations. Reference. This stanza has been taken from the poem The Scholars, composed by Robert Southey. Context. The poet has assumed the personality of a scholar. In these opening lines of the poem, he describes his affection towards the books which have been written by the wise author of the past. The poet says that most of the time scholar is in reading the books written by the wise authors who have died. Whenever he looks, he finds those books around him. Those books have been written by the great authors who are now dead. They possess great mindful wisdom. It causes as faithful friends. He reads them every day and gets knowledge and direction from them. Those books are always there to help him, and in this way he enjoys their company. Stanza. Second. With them I take delight in awe and seek in awe, and while I understand and feel how much to them I owe, my cheeks have often been bedewed with tears of thoughtful gratitude. Take delight, get happy, खुशी करना. In will, in reality, संपन्नता से सुख. Seek, find out, खोजता हूँ. Relief, consolation, सांत्वना. In awe, in the period of difficulties, कठिनाइयों के मध्य. Understand, to think, समझना, सोचना. Feel, realize, महसूस करना. O, oblige, ऋणी होना. Bedewed, become wet, भीग गया. Thoughtful, full of thoughts. Gratitude, thankfulness, कृतज्ञता. Indebted, ऋणी. Now, the reference, context and explanation. Reference. This stanza has been taken from the poem The Scholar, composed by Robert Southey. Context: the poet tells us that he enjoys the company of great authors. Their books have always been a explanation. The poet said all the books of the great authors have been his true. They give him company in his happiness and sorrow. He is delighted to read a book when he is happy. When he is in sorrow, the books lessen his pain and anxiety and gives him comfort. He is always indebted to the books and their authors for their knowledge and wisdom. This thought fills him with gratitude and tears roll down his eyes, makes his cheeks wet. Today I have completed 2 stanzas. Tomorrow I will be continue it. Thanks student. Goodbye.